So this is my best friend and I am meeting her after a whole year. She is here for at least 10 days and I'm gonna spend a lot of time with her. Firstly, a disclaimer. I wasn't supposed to vlog because we wanted to spend time together, but I tried vlogging few things here and there in bits and pieces what we did this whole time.
Hi, Babu.
Starting with the day one, we went for a day trip at Ashwin.
So guys, we are at this place called Raz Resorts and we are having our lunch. So this is the first time I am vlogging in front of Sonia and she is obviously awkward. The place is really nice, you guys. You can see the beach from here. This is the Ashwin beach. Feeling Sonia, कसं वाटतंय?
Nice.
मस्त वाटतंय ना?
Yes.
एकदम मस्त ना? खूप मस्त ना? वॉक करते वॉक.
After our lunch, we went for a quick street shopping.
We are exhausted, you guys. We were actually shopping for Sonia, but we ended up buying so much. I bought a top. Sonia got nothing. No, Sonia got a top as well. I got a kimono type something. And Siddhi Didi got what? She got a dress. And yeah, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do a small haul thing once we reach our place, and then I'll show you guys.
And then it was time for a quick dip at the beach. My favorite thing to do with a perfect sunset. After the dip, we were super hungry, so we had few snacks which were not that great, but yeah, we were very hungry. For dinner, we went to this amazing place called The Trip.
So guys, we are having the hot chicken wings with some red wine sangria and chicken makhani pizza. Excited to try this. We tried this. This is very spicy, but it is super yum. So in case you are at this restaurant, to try this thing. This is the hot chicken wings, and we are at the restaurant called Trip. I forgot to tell you this, but yeah, the vibe is quite nice, and we are enjoying it.
Yes.
the chicken makhani pizza, and it is somewhat like butter chicken. Obviously, chicken makhani means butter chicken, but yeah, that is how it tastes. Exactly like a butter chicken.
Woke up on a Saturday morning, hoping that you had called me. Realized it was the afternoon, I'm still sleeping off the party. The party from the night before, the summer heat had us down at the shore. I told you what you meant to me, hoping that one day I'd be your everything. Hope you agree, girl, I just wanna be your everything. Your everything. La 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 oh 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 oh. La 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 oh 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 oh. La 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 oh 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 oh. La 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 oh 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 oh. Hit the road in my drop cut when you didn't hit me on my phone. I saw you walking, so I pulled up beside
कॉलेजला आलेली तू? We are on our way to Collies in Anjuna. I had the horrible experience parking over here, but the parking guy was very cooperative. He did the parking for me, and yeah, that is how we parked our car. And
your everything. Hope you agree, girl, I just wanna be your everything. Your everything. Tell me what you feel inside. When I look at you in them ocean blue, I can see it in your eyes. Won't you be my baby? Then one day I can be your. Won't you be my baby? Then one day I can be your everything. Hope you agree, and I just wanna be your everything. Your everything.
wear your mask, you guys. का बोलली कापडास मी नव्हते घेता का बोलली कापडात बोलली We are getting similar crystals you guys. See, this is somewhat similar. This is the stone we are getting. This is called Christine. Christine ना क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Citrine. Christine करते हो. Citrine. This is called citrine.
काशी में 10 स्टोन होते हैं हर किसी का पंडित सिर्फ एक ही सजेस्ट करते हैं जो कॉस्टली होते हैं कौन सा स्टोन जमीन पे बोले ना आपने
जमीन है
ये आपका ये ब्लैक वाले है
छोटा बना देंगे टूरमलिन का जी
ये है ऑलरेडी
These are all the stones.
आपका सर काढ़ दो स्टोन
This is the stone we got. Citrine. तुझे देखो. This is how it looks. छान आता है ना? Yes. Looks so beautiful. The finishing is also nice.
घर के सॉल्ट वाटर में
घर के
उसको फुल नाइट चार्जिंग होगा
क्या रोजे बोलते हैं ना इसको?
रोज क्वार्ट्ज
ऐसे बॉल में
रोज कॉच.
Salt में.
These are called
Salt and water milk.
हाँ
good for love, good for relations,
Good for love, good for relations. Good for talking. I need this in life. Chotu damage has been done. We got few things from Miniso. This is my favorite. I got a sipper after so long. This is my first sipper and I love the color. It's sky blue and yeah, cause I wanted a small pocket purse. It's very handy and stuff like that. I love the color, so I got two for me and Sonia. And we got this sheet mask. This is the seaweed natural beauty face mask. This is the natural beauty rice natural beauty, and this is the papaya one. Also Sonia got this body mist, which is only for 260 and the quantity is amazing. So yeah, that was our small Miniso haul. Look who is making palak paneer for dinner. This is the podni. Tadka. This is the tadka. क्या है ना मैंने लहसुन डाला
That is it for today, you guys. Stay tuned for the part 2 of the vlog, and I'm sure you'll love the part 2 as well. Until then, stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.